I'm gonna do unboxing of my gifts. So I received a gift today. Maybe not from this box, paper bag. Unboxing. First gift. Oh, nice. Thank you. This is from Ate Rowena. Thank you, Ate Rowena. So cute. And this is from Ate Tisha. Oh, it's a bag, another pouch. But wow, there's so many things in the pouch. Nice. Maybe this is from the hotel or something. I'm not really sure. Oh, it's like a hygiene kit. It has everything. And then, ta-da! A bag. So cute. Nice. I like it. I like this bag. Oh, and it has something also. A jewelry. Thank you, Ate Tisha. A jewelry, and there's also a strap and lip therapy rosy lips. And a keychain for UK. So this is from UK. So I think they went to Spain as well. So thank you, Ate Tisha and Terowena. I also got some Watson's product from my baby. It's body wash. I have 3 and I used already the other one. Thank you, baby. So these are my gifts today. Rose. This is green tea. Green tea, rose, purifying, lilac, and seaweed. What's inside Emirates hygiene kit? So there is, what is this? Tissues, dental kit, deodorant. Oh, comb. Nice. A mirror. Wow, cute. A mirror. Earplugs. There is earplugs, baby. You can use it.
Nice.
Lotion. This is perfume. Nice. There's perfume as well. Oh, nice. What is this? I think it's a lotion. This is a lotion, and this is moisturizing lotion. This one is for the face. And a hair tie. Done. And inside, there is something inside. Nice. So many gifts. It's a shirt, Primark. They always go to Primark. I think this is like sleeping clothes.
It looks like it.
Nice. Thank you, Katerina. No more hidden gifts here. All done.
What's the music?
A bag. A hygiene kit. Pouch. And this. Nice. Thank you. Thank you so much.